Do you have anything in mind, Senator Kiko, kung ano yung magiging itsura nitong legislation na ito?
Well, we have for example, what are the liabilities of Meta, of Google, di ba? And then the takedown mechanisms. It's very opaque. You know, there's no. They'll say no. It does. What are community standards? And then, of course, the advent of AI. How do we put legislation on AI? So these are some of the challenges. There is a takedown provision in some of. I think these are agreements, especially in criminal. How do you call it? Investigations such as pedophile, child abuse, online exploitation, etc. So we just have to strengthen that. The other thing, of course, is there are models. No? Taiwan, for example, has very strong disinformation network legislation and lessons. In 2019, some research showed that one of the most trolled election campaigns was the Taiwanese election. They were saying that it was China that was trolling them. You know? And they were able to push back and win the elections despite the massive trolling. So there are lessons to be learned there. Strong stakeholder interventions. The private sector should be involved. The government should be involved.